Welcome to English Vocabulary, your go-to channel for mastering new words for IELTS, TOEFL, GRA, GMAT, everyday conversations, and more. Join us in each video to enhance your English vocabulary and communication skills, making learning fun and effective. Let's get started. My day.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Vocabulary. My name is Charlotte, and today I'll take you through a typical day in my life, and we'll learn some new vocabulary words along the way. Let's get started. Mornings are a great time to start fresh. I try to make sure my breakfast is adequate to keep me energized for the day. On my way to university, I often think about new concepts I've learned. Today, I'm particularly excited about a lecture on modern art.
Today's lecture will be brief, but packed with information about how art reflects societal trends.
After the lecture, I like to spend some time in the library to analyze my notes. It helps me understand the material better. And then I'll take you to my group discussion session.
One issue we need to discuss is how to approach our group project. Any ideas?
I think we should start by gathering data and then analyze it to find the best solutions. In the afternoon, I often consume a light snack while reviewing my notes. It's important to stay focused and alert. After my lunch, taking a walk helps me relax and think about what I've learned. Today, we discussed some really significant topics in class. Great! I had a very productive day. To sum up, understanding new concepts, addressing issues, and having an adequate plan are all key to a productive day. Thanks for joining me on my day. I hope you learned some new vocabulary for your exam or for your daily life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own experiences in the comments below. If you have any vocabulary you'd like to learn, let me know. See you next time.
Now that you've enjoyed the story, let's dive into the vocabulary we use today. In this section, we'll go over the descriptions and example sentences for each new word to help you understand and remember them better. Let's get started. Concept, an idea or principle. Example. The concept of time travel fascinates many people. Issue. A topic or problem that needs to be discussed or resolved. Example. Pollution is a major issue in many cities. Lecture. A talk or speech given to teach something, often in a classroom setting. Example. The professor's lecture on climate change was very informative. Brief. Short in time or duration. Example. She gave a brief presentation about her project. Adequate. Sufficient or good enough for what is needed. Example. The food provided was adequate for everyone at the party. Analyze. To examine something in detail to understand it better. Example. The scientists will analyze the data to find patterns. Trend. A general direction in which something is changing or developing. Example. There's a growing trend towards remote working. Consume. To eat or use up something. Example. She likes to consume a lot of fruits and vegetables. Approach. A method or way of doing something. Example. We need a new approach to solve this problem. Significant. Important or meaningful. Example. Winning the award was a significant moment in his life. Great job! Now that we've gone through all the new vocabulary words and example sentences, it's time to test your knowledge. Let's move on to a quick quiz. We've prepared a set of multiple choice questions for you to practice what you've learned. Choose the right answers, and you can find the answer key in the description section below. Ready? Let's begin. Thank you for watching today's episode of English Vocabulary. We hope you enjoyed learning new words and phrases to boost your English skills for IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, or everyday use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you. If you have specific vocabulary you want to learn, share your list with us in the comments below. Your suggestions help us create content that's tailored just for you. See you next time.